Did you know that a small handful of pumpkin seeds could be the secret defense your immune system needs? In today's video, we're diving deep into the incredible health benefits of pumpkin seeds and how they can boost your immune health. Whether you're looking for a natural way to stay healthy this season or just curious about holistic wellness, keep watching because you won't want to miss this. Pumpkin seeds, also known as pepitas, are nutritional powerhouses loaded with vitamins and minerals that are vital for a strong immune system. Just a small serving provides a rich source of zinc, magnesium, and antioxidants, all of which are essential to keep your body's defense mechanisms in top shape. Let's break it down. Zinc, for instance, plays a major role in fighting off viruses and bacteria. In fact, studies show that even a mild zinc deficiency can make you more vulnerable to infections like the common cold. So by simply adding a handful of pumpkin seeds to your daily diet, you're giving your body the tools it needs to stay resilient. Pumpkin seeds also contain magnesium, iron, and vitamin E, which help your body produce antibodies and fight off illness. Did you know that a single ounce of pumpkin seeds contains nearly 40% of your daily recommended magnesium intake? That's huge because magnesium helps reduce inflammation, a major culprit in weakening our immune defenses. If you're finding this information helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more natural health tips. And share this video with someone who needs a little immune boost this season. Now, before we get into more science, here's a quick tip. Want to start adding pumpkin seeds into your daily routine? Try sprinkling them on your morning oatmeal or blending them into smoothies. How do you like to use pumpkin seeds? Drop a comment below with your favorite way to enjoy them. Take Emma, for example, a busy mom from New York. She started adding pumpkin seeds to her family's meals after hearing about their health benefits. Since then, she's noticed fewer sick days, especially during flu season. Simple changes like this can make a big difference in boosting your immune health without overhauling your entire diet. According to a study published in the Journal of Nutrition, consuming zinc-rich foods like pumpkin seeds can reduce the duration and severity of common colds. Dr. Sarah Murphy, a leading nutrition expert, states, zinc is essential for immune cell development and function. Foods like pumpkin seeds are an excellent natural way to meet your daily needs. So there you have it. Pumpkin seeds are not just a tasty snack. They're a powerful tool to boost your immune system and support your overall holistic wellness. Whether you're adding them to your meals or snacking on them throughout the day, these nutrient-dense seeds can help you stay strong and healthy year-round. If you enjoyed today's video and learned something new, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips on staying healthy naturally. Thanks for watching, and remember, your health is your wealth.